Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to design a pie foundation in Prota Structure. When you have a structure with many flaws and the foundation is poor, the bearing capacity is low at even depths that are very deep, you have no choice and to option for pie foundation. So even when you have like one flaw but the soil is still bad, so loose that you can't even place a raft, you also go for pie foundation. So when you are faced with this challenge, you ask for your soil report. Yeah, the client will hire your technical engineer that will provide the soil report. You're not the structural engineer that will come up with the soil report. So the technical engineer will give you this. I have mine. We'll be making use of it. So let's come here, go to ground 00 floor, then you display the loads on each of these columns, the axial loads. That can be done at display, visual interrogation, column display. Now activate axial load. Check here. I like to activate this combination loads. This is enough. This one's between. You can select as much as you want. Selecting that. Okay, you can see my combination 1 is having the highest load among each of them here. Okay, let me check. Alright, so the next thing is you do some few settings, like you come to your setting, foundation, start with general first. You make sure that you are using top and bottom, so that your pie cap would have like top and bottom reinforcement, like a combined footing. Then down to pie caps. Okay, there are a few things that I will do here. Pie size depends on what you are going for. Then you will now come here and go to your pie diameters from the test. So here at 450, the safe working load of this pies and the anticipated safe working load 415, at 500 504, at 600 735. So by the time you add the bearing capacities of these loads, you should be able to get the ultimate working stress. Calculator. Okay, let's see, 4115 times 1.4 value of dead load, 581. Okay, so it depends. So let's say for now, let's start with 450. We'll also do for 600 and see the difference. And the ultimate working load calculator. We've already done this. We got 481 as the ultimate working load. Okay, pi depth, pi. Okay, so you have pi. Okay, these are the values here. Let's come back to pi caps. Pi depth. Now let's check from our soil bearing capacity. It's 25 meters. So you put that. Then after putting the is millimeters, 25 meters. Yeah. Then we okay. So to get the raw estimate of the number of pies, you can always divide the load with what is here. Like here, if we divide if we divide 8884 by 558, it's expected that you may have 2 pies. So let's start with it and see whether that will actually work. But that's also okay. How to reanalyze first. So let's do that. Analysis is down. Okay, this is done. Okay, we'll close. So since we're here, Let me show you something. No. Parameters, foundation, allowable stress. Allowable stress was 13. It's asking us to change, so we won't put it there, but we'll put somewhere that we don't want to reanalyze again. Just come to settings, under general, allowable bearing capacity is 13. We put 13 here. Still work the same thing. So now we'll start to insert our pi. Let's say for example we try to insert our pad. Let's see what will come out. Well, see, there's no reinforcement. Telling us that now, man, this is too much for me. See, too many failures. It didn't even fade, the design fail, you know. It didn't even try to give us anything. So you know that no, pad is not suitable for that kind of column. You know. So now the load is too much for such bearing capacity. So now you come to pi. Okay. Successful. It's giving us 4. So let's come here and check 2. Let's see. 2 fade. Check 3. 3 fade and punching. Okay. Successful. This, okay, we'll go for 4. Yeah, let's pick another high one. Insert pi. This 2 fade. The 2 didn't work. There's the depth. We'll have no choice than to come back. Push 4. On depth is 700. Try 3. fade and punching. We'll go back to our 800. Okay, so let's now increase the size of the pie. I also try to insert it and see. Let's delete one of these. Okay, let's come to settings, pie caps. So instead of 450, let's have 600. Automate compression capacity. Let's check. So at 600 we have 735 times 735 times 7 times 1.4 1029. So now let's try again. Sat pie. Okay, you can see this accepts 3 now. Depth on 900. Let's try to accept 2 now. You know, because the pie size has been increased, so you can give up 1 and adapt 1, and you see the change. So that's how it works. Let's try this one too, pie. Yeah, 3 can work. Can 2 work? Yeah, 2 can also work. So that's just how when you have much higher loads, can go with this, you know, since it's thicker, it means the slenderness ratio is not the same as when it was smaller. So it's going to resist more loads. That's just a trick there. Or this fade. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So another one first. And we'll come back and do it again. That 3. See if 2 can work. Yes, 2 did work. Yeah, let's come back here again. Sat pie. 4. Let's see. There. Some vehemently refuse. But the load is higher. Very high. So that's just how you do. Okay, you can continue like this until you are done. So the size you decide depends on you, on the structural engineer. Might even combine both, depends on you. Then you can now export. Let's try to export these two. Just for detailing, let's see. Let me not export everything. I'm just concerned with the pie. Oh, there's something. Let me see. Okay, I used a TikTok bars, but for some reason it didn't come. So all you need to do is mirror this top bars to here. Mirror it in AutoCAD. You can export this to AutoCAD. You can mirror it there. I prefer doing my detailing in AutoCAD. So you can come here, file, export. Just giving you example. Okay, so you have this. So you can copy each of them if they have the same sizes like this and the depth is the same. You pick one of it, mirror this reinforcements. Each of them you pick. So at the end of your, you can detail them like this, so that the ones with 222 with same depth have the same thing, just like this. The one with 1, you have 1. You still have the one with 4 will carry the same. See, like this one is 4, but their sizes are different, so they are going to be named different. So that's pretty much like it. Then you mirror them just like this, like I did here. So at the end of the day, your depth, you should have something like this. This is presentable enough to be approved by the authorities. So if this video was useful, remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment. It's going to help me to encourage me to keep doing this. Thanks for watching.